Today, I'm going to show you how to start an online business with no money, no experience, so that you can make monthly recurring income from the comfort of your own home. And what I'm about to show you is the same business model that hundreds of others have used to be able to see amazing results. Now, put your wallet away. I have no course or coaching program to sell you. Seriously, guys, if you like this proven business model I'm about to show you, all you've got to do is smash the like button, share this video with a friend who would also find this valuable, and then drop a comment down below once you've done those things. And I will share with you a private link to get my free step-by-step course, website templates, and a free live bootcamp to help you get this entire business set up for free. Now, what we're actually doing with this simple AI side hustle is we're gonna take a software that is already pre-built, pre-coded, and what you can actually do with this software is put your own logo, your own branding on the software and resell it as if it was your own and keep 100% of whatever it is that you charge. You get to set the price points and there's no commission split with the actual software company. And so we can reach out to lawyers, to restaurants, to hair salons, and set them up with these simple AI solutions that I'm going to show you here in just a second, and charge $300 to $500 per month per client, where the software is going to be doing the fulfillment for you. That way you can scale this and get to 10 clients, to 20 clients, to 50 clients, all paying you $300 to $500 per month, and not have to sell your time as a service. Now, just to actually show you further proof that this works, right here is a company called Podium, and what they do is they sell, as you can see, an AI employee that does exactly what I'm about to show you for small businesses. And if we actually come in here and look at the plans that they have, we can see right here they have a $399 per month plan, $599, and then one that's even more expensive. And everything that they're offering to small local business owners to help them automate things, help them make more money. You can just take this software, slap your own logo on it, and set these local business owners up with the exact same solutions. Just to show you that there's really no ceiling to how much you can grow this thing. Podium a few years back was valued at $3 billion. Now that was in 2021, so it's probably even more than that at this moment. All right, so we're gonna actually jump in here to the software, and what I'm gonna show you is just a few different tools that you can offer to small local businesses and charge $300 to $500 per month, because the services that you are going to be fulfilling for these businesses will actually help these businesses to make far more sales that they are going to happily pay you month after month. So the first thing that we're going to set up for these small local businesses are AI voice agents to handle any of their missed phone calls. Because what we want to actually think about as we're reaching out to small local businesses to set them up with AI solutions is we want to think of it in terms of what problems we are solving for them to help them make more money and not have to do certain things that maybe they hate or that just take up too much time. And so there's an actual statistic, so I'm going to click on Voice AI right here, that 62% of calls to small local businesses are actually left unanswered. And so I'm going to just click on Create Agent, okay? So we're going to go through these steps right here as I'm kind of explaining the problem that we're solving for these businesses. So I'm going to click on Create Custom Agent. And what we're doing is we're going to save the missed calls that these businesses get, because what happens is if I'm coming in here and I'm looking for, let's just say landscaping near me, and this especially applies if it's a business where people have urgent needs. So if somebody has a leak and they're reaching out to a plumbing business, if I were to call a plumbing business and they didn't pick up the phone, I would just call the next business down the line. And so if I were to come in here and say, hey, I want to give a call to Udell's Landscape Services, and they didn't pick up the phone, if they had an AI voice agent that we're going to set up, we'll just set one up for Udell's Landscape right here. If they had an AI agent set up, instead of me going down and calling the next business to get a different quote, connect with somebody else, what's going to happen is I'm going to actually be able to talk to an AI voice agent that is custom trained to their specific business. And so when we're actually talking to local business owners and we're saying, hey, we'll set you up with an AI voice agent, if we can show them how an AI voice agent saves them just one additional deal. So if they get one new customer, if they convert one missed call to a customer every single month, if the value of a customer to that small business is worth a couple $100 or more, they will happily pay a few $100s a month for this simple tool because of the simple math decision that we make it. And so we're gonna go ahead and name this agent. I'm gonna name this agent Leo right here, and we're gonna call this Udell's Landscape Services. So I'm just gonna actually click on the website, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna use their website to actually train the AI voice agent specific to the business. And so I'm just gonna put in Udell's Landscape. Then we're gonna select a voice right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let's see. There's 212 voices you can actually choose from. I'm gonna go ahead and select on Mark right here. Then I'm gonna hit save. And then I'm going to paste this in, because this is the first thing that the AI will say when somebody calls into the business. And so I'm gonna go ahead and just click on next. And then what we do right here inside of agent goals is we just select the details that we want the AI to collect from whoever it is that's calling into the business. And so because this is a home services business, we want to know what their address is. If we were setting this up for a dentist, we probably wouldn't need to ask their address right there on the spot. And so we're going to go name, email, and then what their inquiry is. So now I'm just going to hit next. And what we want to set up now for the business is we want to just get them a new phone number, which we would just have the business owner pay for it. It costs literally $1 to get a phone number. And how we set this up for the business is we don't want them to have to change their phone number. They have their phone number on their website, on Google. They might have it even on their truck. This is not something that business owners want to do. And so all that we're setting up is a backup phone number, so that anytime somebody calls into their business, or a potential customer calls in, and they're not able to pick up the phone because somebody's calling in after hours, or they're busy on the job, we can just have it forward to this new AI phone number. So I just actually came in here, I purchased a number, and so I'm just gonna select this phone number right there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click on save. Now, the last thing that we're gonna do before I actually go through and give it a phone call to test this out is make sure that it has all of the information that is on this website. And so I'm just gonna go ahead right here where it says select knowledge base. I'm gonna click on create new, and then I'm just gonna click on add source, and then web crawler. And then I'm just gonna paste in the URL of their website and click on extract data. And so now it's just gonna take a few seconds. The AI is going to scrape. It's gonna get all of the information, their services, their pricing, their schedule. And if there's any additional information that the business owner says, hey, we get these questions asked a lot, or I don't have this info on our website, but this is kind of a script, or just anything that the business wants the AI to know, we can just come in here and click on add source again, and then add any frequently asked questions. And so we can just put in the question right there and the answer, and then just click on save. And so what I'm now gonna do is actually give this number a phone call to test it out, because we wanna make sure that it's working good for the business before we actually make it live in their business. And so I'm gonna toggle this off to just have the AI agent answer every call directly. I'm gonna click on save, and we're just gonna dial this up.
Hey, you have reached Udell's Landscape. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I was hoping to get a quote. I need some projects done in my yard.
Got it. Let me take down some details so we can get back to you with a quote. Can I start with your name?
Yeah, it's Travis.
Thanks. Just to confirm, that's Travis, Travis.
Yeah, that's right.
Perfect. Thanks, Travis. Could you share your email address so we can reach out to you?
Yeah, it's just travis@gmail.com.
Thanks, Travis. Just to confirm, that's travis@gmail.com, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Great. Could you also provide your address so we know where the project will be?
Yeah, it's just 123 Main Street.
Thanks. Just confirming, that's 123 Main Street, right?
Yeah, do you know how soon we could get somebody out to give the quote?
I don't have that information on hand, but I'll make sure a team member reaches out to you soon to discuss availability and set up a time. In the meantime, could you share a bit about the projects you're looking to have done?
Yeah, I just need some trees. I want to put in a few trees.
Got it. You're looking to have some trees planted. Thanks for sharing that, Travis. I'll make sure our team knows so they can assist you with the details and provide a quote. Is there anything else you'd like help with while we're on the call?
No, that should be it.
Thanks, Travis. We'll have someone reach out to you soon about your project. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. So I hope you can see how literally every single small local business owner that does not have this, which is a majority of these small local businesses, they need this. They need AI so that they can make more money, so that they can save deals, and you can come in and save the day and help them. And for just $300 to $500 a month, you can go through and set this up. It's a one-time simple setup. It's not like you have to go through and do Facebook ad management. And like I said, if you guys just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, I will send you a private link to my free course to show you guys how to get started. I'll get you the extended 30-day free trial to that software. I'll show you how to get clients. I'll show you how to fulfill for clients. And I even have a lot of other free ways to go through and get clients, the scripts, the templates, the whole fulfillment process, how you can add other simple services on top of it. And so that is all jam-packed in there, 100% for free. And like I said, guys, I have no paid courses. I have no paid coaching program. I have no paid masterminds. And so that is not my hidden agenda. My hidden agenda, if you will, is I want you to sign up for the software through my affiliate link, because the cool thing is it will cost you $0 more to use my affiliate link, but it's going to give me a little bit of a kickback. And so then I can provide all this awesome value in training and courses and templates and coaching 100% for free, because I'm able to get a kickback from the software. Appreciate you watching. If you're brand new here, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.